Hello students, welcome on my video. In previous lecture we discussed meaning of goodwill, then factor affecting valuation of goodwill, then necessity of goodwill, and also discuss methods of determine the value of goodwill. Okay, so now today we are going on your first method, average profit method. So in this method we have two steps. First step is average profit. So how to find average profit, students? So average profit is equal to total profit of given years divided by number of years. That means जितने ईयर का आपको लास्ट जितने भी ईयर्स का आपको प्रॉफिट दिया है वो सबका आपको टोटल करना है. दैट मीन्स टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑफ गिवन ईयर्स डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ years. Okay, then after completing step 1 we will find the step number 2. Step number 2 is our goodwill. So goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by purchasing year. So in this step average profit also find the in above step number 1, and purchasing year is also given in the our question. Okay, so please note down this both step in your notebook and let be understood by the example. Okay, so sum number 4 in your exercise, Bhavesh and Vipul's form. Compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of last 5 years average profit. Information of last 5 years profit is as under. Okay, so in this question already given the years of purchase, 4 year purchasing. Okay, then already given information about last 5 years profit as under. So in the year 2011-12 our profit is 1 lakh rupees. In the second year our profit is 1,10,000. In third year our profit is 1,80,000. In fourth year our profit is 2 lakh, and our fifth year our profit is 1,50,000. Okay, so compute the value of goodwill. So let we start it, students. First step is our average profit. So step number 1, find the average प्रॉफिट. सो स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला नोट डाउन नहीं करते बिकॉज मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको एक पेज जो फर्स्ट था उसमें मैंने आपको नोट डाउन करवा दिया है स्टेप 1. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज पुट डाउन करते. ओके, बट आपको एग्जामिनेशन में कंपलसरी फॉर्मूला पुट डाउन करके ही वैल्यू पुट डाउन करनी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑफ गिवन ईयर्स. सो गिवन ईयर्स एज अबोव 1 2 3 4 5 and profit is also above. So now we do direct additions of given years profit. So 1 lakh plus 1,10,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 2 lakh plus 1,50,000. Okay students, then divided by number of the year. So in this sum we have 5 years, 1 2 3 4 5. So total number of year is 5. So after addition we get answer of the total profit is 1 lakh plus 1,10,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 2 lakh plus 1,50,000. That means 7,40,000 divided by 5. That means our average profit is 1,48,000. Okay students, are you get it how to find average profit? So total given years profit divided by number of years. Okay, so here our step number 1 is completed. So now we find the step number 2. So what is the step number 2, students? So find the goodwill. So goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by purchasing year. जैसे हमने पहले देख लिया है दोनों के दोनों स्टेप. तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज पुट डाउन करते थे. सो एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज 1,48,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय परचेसिंग ईयर also given in the question 4 year. So 1,48,000 multiply by 4 years. So now we do multiplication of this both digit. 1,48,000 multiply by 4, that means our goodwill is 5,92,000 rupees. Okay students, are you get it how to find the value of goodwill? Okay, so please note down this sum in your notebook and I hope you all are understood. Okay students, let me solve another sum of these methods, average profit method. Sum number 5 of your exercise. Mahendra and Praveen are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss ratio is 3:2. They want to change their ratio to 1:1. They decided to make valuation of goodwill on the basis of 5 years purchase of last 4 years average profit. Okay, so here already given 5 years purchase. Okay, and also given the information last 4 years average profits. So here in year 2013-14 our profit is 60,000. In the year 2014-15 our profit is 80,000. But in this year 2015 and 16 our profit is in bracket, that means this is 20,000 is not our profit but this is our loss. जो भी वैल्यू आपकी ब्रैकेट में होती है दैट मीन्स वो हमारे फॉर्म का क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, लॉस है. तो हमें क्या करना होगा, जो टोटल प्रॉफिट है उसमें से जो हमारा लॉस है 20,000 वो हमें डिडक्ट करना होगा. क्लियर. Then 2016-17 our profit is 30,000. Okay, so let we started our sum. So our first step is average profit. So step number 1, average profit is equal to total profit. So total profit, that means 60,000 plus 80,000 minus 20,000 because 20,000 is our loss. So 20,000 हम लोग माइनस करेंगे प्लस 30,000. Okay, and divided by number of year, that means 4 years here given 1 2 3 4. So after simplify form our total profit is 60,000 plus 80,000 minus 20,000 plus 30,000, that means 1,50,000 our total profit last 4 years divided by 4. So our average profit is rupees 37,500. Okay, so here we find the step number 1 and now we find the step number 2. Step number 2 is goodwill. So how to find goodwill students? So goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by purchasing year. So what is our average profit? Also find the in step number 1 37,500 multiplied by purchasing year also given in the sum multiply by 5. So let we do simplify forms. 37,500 multiplied by 5, that means our goodwill is rupees 1,87,500. Okay, so I hope you all are understood how to find valuation of the goodwill by the average profit method. So please note down these all sums in your notebook. Okay, thank you.